If you wanted to start experimenting with a home lab and want to learn the ropes using a virtual setup before spending $1 on hardware, then I recommend having a look at Filius. It allows setting up a virtual emulated network inside the program where users can create servers and clients and see how the computers and protocols communicate. Users can set up computers by installing software on them, such as web servers and email applications, and then access them from other computers. There's also a virtual command line. Network settings like gateways, DHCP servers, and router tables can also be modified. The program doesn't allow the virtual services to be seen by other computers outside of the Filius environment, but I believe it allows two computers running Filius to be connected and virtual network traffic to be passed from one actual computer to another through this mechanism. It's something I'll have to look into more and revisit with another video.